Hi, I'm Christelle and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. Jamaica 55. Plans are in full swing and the National Stadium has been designated the cultural hub for this year's celebratory activities. The stadium will be transformed into the Jamaica 55 Independence Festival Village, in keeping with this year's theme, celebrating Jamaicans at home and abroad. The Independence Village will be opened from Saturday, July 29 to Sunday, August 6 from 12 noon daily. Admission, of course, is free. Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora are being encouraged to join the Independence festivities by participating in this year's festival fashion theme, Wear the Vibes, It's Jamaica 55, by wearing black, red, emerald, and gold, each representing various vibes of the Jamaican people. The culmination of the Independence Festival activities will take place on Monday, August 7, with the Independence Grand Market Show and fireworks at the waterfront in downtown Kingston. Vybz Kartel's summer 2016 anthem Fever has found favor internationally. The single, which continues to receive heavy rotation and support on international airwaves such as Hot 97 and WZMX among others, is fast approaching 500 spins a week to a tune of 60 million in audience. Fever has now debuted at the number 50 spot on the Billboard R&B Hip Hop Airplay chart to continue its upward trend. Vybz Kartel's King of the Dancehall album, after peaking at number 1 on the Billboard Reggae album chart, has sold a total of 4,335 copies to date. The single was produced by Linton TJ White and is the second Billboard entry for Kartel. Reggae artist Nesmith is back on Jamaican soil following a recent spate of performances in the USA. The artist is now moving to capitalize on momentum gained since releasing several visuals this year for singles Live Every Minute and Road to Glory. Nesmith leaves the island next month for gigs in the United Kingdom, then it's back to work on his debut album. On the international scene, Rihanna gets to meet French President after sending him a tweet. On Sunday, the recording artist and ambassador of the Global Partnership for Education, GPE, sent a message to President Emmanuel Macron asking for his help in supporting the foundation. The tweet was a success as the president's public schedule reveals that he plans to meet with the singer in Paris on Wednesday. Established in 2002, GPE is a multi-stakeholder partnership and funding platform that aims to strengthen education systems in developing countries across the world. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Thank you for watching.